Today we'll talk about how can you create a fold on your MyFitnessPal app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on recipes, intimates, and folds here. Click on it. Then come to this list here. Then you click here on folds. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on create a fold here. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Add here brand name and description here. Then here services here, and here serving per country here. When you're down, you just go above next. Then it's going to take you to next list. Then you follow it, so then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.